In this video, you will be shown how to perform a simulation. The first step is opening the Project Manager by clicking on the Project Manager icon in the top left. The Project Manager window shows three panels. The panel on the left shows a list of your projects and scenarios. The panel in the middle shows the list of simulations belonging to the selected scenario, and the panel on the right shows a list of your results. Activate the scenario that you wish to simulate by right-clicking on it and selecting Activate. All simulations that belong to the activated scenario will appear in the Simulation panel. Activate the desired simulation by right-clicking on it and selecting Activate Simulation. Right-click on the simulation again and start the simulation. The Simulation Wizard window will appear. Here you can choose the type of simulation and click Next. In the Settings window, you can decide whether you would like to save your results in the same simulation or if you wish to save the results in a new simulation. Here, we have decided to save the results in the activated simulation. Click Next to continue. Now you can click Simulate to start the simulation. Your dataset will be prepared and exported automatically, and the Talsim engine will run to perform the calculations. After the simulation is completed, the results are imported into the Talsim user interface. After the countdown, the window will automatically close. Now select the simulation and click Load Results. A list of your results will appear in the Results panel.